Hey guys, it's Allie, and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of our brand new LELE PONS x Tarte collaboration. We've got an eye and cheek palette, some cruelty-free falsies, and a vegan lip gloss, so let's dive in. First up, the star of the show is the LELE PONS x Tarte eye and cheek palette. Inside this boxeroni, you get a paper palette, but it's like a hard case book. LELE made sure to make it a book because it seemed very easy, accessible, and you can take it on the go because she loves to travel. Then you have the LELE PONS x Tarte dust cover right here, and then a humongous mirror, like I said, perfect for on the go. And you get 9 shadows and 2 cheek shades, and this whole palette is only 35 bucks, which is insane. The shadows are super pigmented, so pretty. You can check out LELE's swatch video. She goes through all of the shades, why she named them, why she developed them. So I'll link that video down below so you can hear it from LELE herself. But these shadows are so pretty and the pan size is so big. Then you get the 2 cheek shades. You have a blush, Playa, and Celoso highlight. I'm actually wearing the entire palette right now. I have the shadows on my lid and the cheek products on my cheeks. Also formulated with Amazonian clay, so you know that it's going to blend beautifully and last all day long. Next up, we have the LELE PONS x Tarte Vegan Lip Gloss, which is so pretty. It's like the perfect pinky peachy nude, and it's super nourishing and not sticky on the lips. It's also only 20 bucks, which is insane. It's infused with ultra reflective pigments, so it's really going to pick up on the light and make your lips look super juicy. Last but not least, we have the cruelty-free falsies in the style LELE. These are so pretty, so full, so fluttery, and 3-dimensional, but like I said, cruelty-free and vegan, no mink, nothing like that, but they are still so fluttery and beautiful. I also have them on my eyes right now. They just really add to any look, really take it to the next level, and I'm obsessed with them. Alright, so that is it, the full LELE PONS x Tarte collection, the eye and cheek palette, the lip gloss, and the lashes. All of these products are less than 70 bucks if you were to buy them all, which is crazy. It's a huge value, so make sure to check it out. Comment down below what you're most excited about. Like I said, I'll link all of LELE's videos down below as well. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon.